Welcome to Tropical Boots Line Dancing. My name is Trent Duncan, and today we're going to be learning a dance called Perks. This is a 32 count full wall line dance choreographed by Rebecca Lee. The song is called Perks by BB Gold. Let's get into the tutorial. Facing your front wall, your weight is going to start on your left. Your first section of 8, you're going to be stomping that right foot forward, twisting the left foot towards it, so heel, toe, heel. Then you're going to be completing half of a K-step, forward on the left, and then back on the right. What that looks like, so stepping forward on the right, on that right angle, and then you're going to twist heel, toe, heel. From here, you're going to do half of a K-step, so you're going to go step forward on the left angle and bring it together with a clap, stepping back on that right angle and bring it together with a clap. The next section here is a repeat of that first section. However, it will be starting with the left. So a stomp with your twist your heels, and then half of a K-step on your right with a quarter turn to your left. What that looks like is stomping that right foot forward, twist, heel, toe, heel, and then half of that K-step, so stepping forward on that right angle, touch with a clap. Then as you step back with that left, you're going to be turning a quarter turn to your left, so turning a quarter and tap with a clap. From here, your next section, so section 3, will be a vine to the right and a vine to the left. Both vines will finish with just a tap. So for vining to the right, we go side, behind, side, tap, and then to the left, side, behind, side, tap. From here, section 4 on the dance sheet does have you stepping to the right and then shimmying your shoulders for 2 counts and then tap the left beside it. And then again, stepping the left to the side, shimmying your shoulders, and then tapping the right beside it. I do an alternative because I'm not very good at shimmying on my shoulders. So how it would look without what I do is a step to the right and you shimmy the shoulders for 2 counts and then you tap the left beside. You step your left to the side, shimmy your shoulders for 2 counts and then tap your right beside. What I do in these 8 counts here is as I step that right to the side, I slap my hands down. As I bring it together, I slap the hands up and then I clap, clap. That's 4 counts. So what it looks like on the left is going down, up, clap, clap. Let's put all 4 sections together and see how the dance looks. So facing your front wall, weight is on your left. We're going to start with that stomp forward on the right. 7, and we go stomp, twist, toe, heel, forward left, back right, and then stomp, heel, toe, heel, forward on the right, quarter left, vine right, behind, right, tap, vine left, behind, left, tap. Now shimmy to the right and shimmy to the left. Well done. You've now completed your tutorial of the dance. There is one restart, which is going to happen on wall 6. That restart will be after your first 16 counts. So your first 16 counts is the first 2 sections of the dance, so section 1 and 2, which is stomp and twist K-step, stomp and twist half a K-step with a quarter turn. You then restart the dance before the vines. The tag for this dance will happen on wall 10. You will be completing a 3/4 walk over 8 counts. So that is just walking right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And as you do, you're just turning a 3/4 turn over your left shoulder to complete that 3/4 turn. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more, please head on over into my YouTube channel to check that out, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button while you're there. Leave any comments down below for any other dances that you would like to see tutorials on. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.